Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2019 69 Ridge G20 330e. The vehicle is presented in sunset orange, features the Y&C body enhancement kit alongside some nice features and options. If you would like to know more about this car, don't forget you can easily use the links that are available in the description box. Let's get straight into talking about the car itself. It's got brand new performance style alloy wheels with 4 brand new tyres, splitter, black grills, side sill extensions and Y&C and performance decals, aero mirror caps, rear spoiler and one of our quad exhaust diffusers. I will come on to talk to you about and show you some of the features of the plug-in hybrid system as well. So you can see there that quad exhaust diffuser, we've added that as part of the in-house enhancement kit. It is there for the aesthetics over any sound or performance upgrade. In the boot area then we have got the provided charging cable. Using this charging cable in here, that'll take around about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge the car from empty. However, fast chargers and in-mains chargers will significantly reduce the charging time. With a full charge, BMW give a claimed range of around about 37 to 40 miles. Now, of course, that will vary on driving style and driving conditions. Despite having, of course, the hybrid batteries and electric motors on board, there is still a really good amount of space inside the G20 330e. It's the same as the petrol or diesel models for that fact. So you've got full proper 3-seat Isofix rear bench there. You've still got nice touches like heated seats, customisable ambient lighting, and we'll come on to show you some more of the interior features shortly. This is where you'll plug the car in. So it's super easy, plug it in, leave it be. You can monitor it either by using an app that's easily downloaded, or of course just popping back and having a look actually at the dash display. But again, really useful to download that app as it gives you a multitude of bits of information in terms of the charging time and charge status. So if we go ahead and start the car up then, it's covered a little over 42,000 miles, has got the touchscreen nav and media setup as you can see there. You have got telephone and audio along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, DAB, music collection, Bluetooth screen mirroring. And if we go into the service status, it isn't due service for 18,000 miles. 3 recorded BMW services. Rear facing camera with front and rear sensors. So there's a look around. There's a very nice sunset orange G20 330e M Sport. And don't forget, if you want to know a little bit more, you can use the links that are available in the description box. For the time being, thank you, bye bye.